Hey guys, I am just popping into the grocery store, going shopping and buying one of our meals to serve a family of 4 and compare the cost. And so I'm doing that because the prices in the grocery stores are insane. I make the wine and Dijon chicken. Heading into the store, I'm picking all the ingredients that I'm going to need, including an organic chicken, which is the equivalent to what we're using in our kitchen. Bone broth, but we make our own in-house. Holy shit, guys. So I just got out of the store. Wait till I share it with you. It's kind of crazy. Hey guys, Sam here, Local Roots. I have done my shopping. I've gotten my receipts. So here's what we did. I assumed that I had olive oil, salt, and pepper in the house. Everything else for the Dijon and wine chicken that I had last night for dinner, that you might be having this week for dinner, I needed. So this included kale. I did not buy the organic kind. Wine, equivalent to what we would use. Some polenta. This one was not organic. They did not have that option. Bone broth, but we'd make it in-house. Veggies, herbs, tomato paste, local honey, all the good stuff that's going to make a delicious meal. Our meals, if you were to purchase one dinner from us for 4 people, it would be $71.85. Maybe a year or two ago, this wouldn't have been the case. It wouldn't have been as close as this, but prices are drastically increasing, and we are doing everything we can to maintain our prices. If you're thinking about Local Roots and you want to try it, you want to see how it fits into your budget, and you want some really high quality ingredients, this is the way to do it. Thanks so much for joining me, and if you liked this, let me know, and